So to operate this motor mover with this remote, the first thing you do is make sure your handbrake's on, handbrake on, and then with the winding handle for the corner leg steadies, wind them up. And for demonstration purposes, all I've done is I've risen each one at all four corners about 3 or 4 inch. Go down to the side locker, onto this side locker, the keys in here, put it into there with this bit pointing upwards, push it in and turn it to the right. Close your locker door because you don't want it flapping about whilst you're manoeuvring the Caravan. Says me. Like so. Then on the remote you have the on and off button, which is this button at the bottom, and you press it and it goes red. It's a bit on the light side here, but it's lit up, so that means it's turned the control box on that's under the front settee in the Caravan. And then these rollers are electric, so if I can put you there, I hope you can see this. So what will happen is when I press when I press these two together, it pushes this roller against the tyre, and the same at the other side. Make sure this is turned on. So you press these two, and then can you see that roller there moving towards the tyre? All the way to the stop. So the motor's now engaged, and on this remote you have forwards, backwards, and these will slew the Caravan, back end, front end, and if you hold that one and that one together, or that one and that one together, the Caravan will spin a full 360 degrees. So this one, to make it move, handbrake off, set your handbrake off. So I'm going to press this one to make it go backwards. This one makes it come forwards. And as I said, these all slew the Caravan in different ways, so I'll press this one, slew in the back, this way, also these slew it as well. And that's the motor mover. So once you've got it where you want it, turn the remote off by pressing that button, put it in your pocket or somewhere safe so you don't run over it. You put the handbrake back on, you'd wind all your corner steadies down, all 4, and then you come back here, turn the remote back on with the red button again, make sure it's lit up, and then you want to wind these back off the tyres, these rollers back off the tyres, because if you don't, it'll burn out the motors and just shred your tyres. So it's those two bottom ones there, and this winds the rollers back out. Let them go all the way till the nut there stops spinning, and they're back in. Turn the remote off, back into the locker, and then turn the isolator switch off. And that's how you operate this Reich motor mover on this Caravan.